Yes, sir. All right. Another on the agenda today. Okay. Oh, shit. That shit is fire. Shit. Oh. Said good luck finding first. I mean, that was easy. I'm guessing that's first, right? I'm a Porsche fan, so pretty cool for the first car of the day.
Start it up again, and I want you to rev it a couple of times because I want to see if there's a loose baffle on the left-hand side here.
Yes, sir. This thing is sick. Man. Yeah, this thing is fire, bro. GTC, baby. I think we're just doing cats. Muffler mod, not sure yet. Depending on how this goes. Should be straightforward. You already know. Got the WD. Move them up. Oh. Break these loose. Ooh. Alright. I'll go the other way. Should just slide these loose. They should be loose. Alright, so I did have to unbolt the muffler, slide it over, just to get this lower one out. Get all the O2s out. Got this one fully unbolted because I couldn't get this one out right here. Had to drop it down a little bit, but yeah, it's time to pull them down. They'll all have to come down simultaneously, kind of thing. Yep, same time. Not a bing. Time for the new ones. Remember, clean that surface. Clean that surface. I believe this is passenger side cat. Should bolt up something like so. Just gotta put the gasket in real quick. Alright, got the driver's side in. Got some new clamps for the slip. These ones are kind of trash. Just gotta put the O2s in, put the muffler in, we good. It's looking good. Damn. Pretty sick. Alright, all the O2s are in. I did put spacers on the lures, just in case. Just gotta put these clamps on, and I think we're good to go. Obviously, we're gonna cut the excess off, a little bit more tighter. Solid, baby. You're done. Put a little wipe down, get all the fingerprints off, especially on stainless. She'll stain it, and I think we're good to go. Start it up real quick.
Ferrari.
Ooh.
Ferrari.
Okay. Alright. This is different. One thing I love about this job, you never know what you're gonna get. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's reverse. This thing is probably slow as damn, boy. Look at the reflection. This thing is hard as fuck to drive. GTS 308.